What's up, guys? Welcome back. All right, we are going to explore now the other part of the road, and it just feels so weird. Like that's another thing when when you explore new things, when you do things that you're not used to doing, that invokes your imagination, it activates your imagination. And most of the time, fear, I heard Tony Robbins say this last night from The Art of Living, an amazing event. But it's fear is imagination undirected. You don't have to work at fear. You don't have to work at finding things to worry about or feeling stressed and worried, because if you turn on the news, it's always there. You never watch the news and feel like, dude, I can't wait to go hit it. We're going to kill it today. Like, today's going to be awesome. No, you feel terrible afterwards. And that's not to bash the news or anything. But it's just, my point is, when you experience new things, when you try new things, then you activate the creative side of your imagination, the good side of your imagination, where then you think about, you create like just amazing feelings and sceneries in your head. Like right now, just by looking at these roads and stuff, it feels like I'm like, I don't know, it feels like I'm in a brand new state. It feels like I'm in like Wyoming or Colorado or something. And by thinking about those states, like the western states especially, I live in Georgia, so I'm as far east as you can go pretty much on the US. But so I'm further away from those states, and just by thinking about that, it makes me feel like I'm in that state. I'm like, yes, dude. Like, I feel so successful, so happy when I think about like Wyoming and Colorado, because I want to go to those places. I've been to Colorado, euphoric, like literally like my favorite state by far I've been to thus far, and so it just creates positive feelings for me. It creates positive emotions for me. So when you explore and go on adventures like this, then you will experience amazing emotions, because then your imagination, instead of working against you by creating fear, it will work for you and create more positive emotions. And so you can develop your imagination to actively create positive sceneries in your head to make you feel more empowered rather than disempowered by doing things like this, by trying new things, getting outside your comfort zone, and just going exploring, adventuring. You know, it's just like, what better way to enjoy life and to focus and learn new things than go exploring. You know, exploring is just euphoric. Like I said, guys, like, you know, in the camera, like it just feels unreal. You know, it kind of feels unreal. It feels like I'm in like just a random field in Montana or something, you know. And yeah, like I said, I just think I associate very positive feelings to like the western states and stuff. But anyways, we'll continue down this road. And the last couple of videos, we explored like up that way, and we explored over there, and it looks like there could be another area that we'll go later. We're not going to check that out yet. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, because it's so important, you know, by developing your awareness, but also your imagination, that can just improve your life so much, because then you'll come up with like different things and sceneries in your head that can make you feel happier, can make you feel more joyful. It's like a random chair over there. That's cool. But just by doing that, guys, just by creating these positive, I guess, fantasies in your head, they just make you feel so much more empowered. So why not? So that's you know, to feel happier, you want those. You want to think more about what empowers you or makes you feel happy, even if it's not real, because your brain can't tell the difference between what is real and vividly imagined. And again, that can just empower you to take more action to achieve your goals and stuff like that. Like, don't go adventuring, don't go exploring to escape from your problems. That can be nice once in a while, but like, don't go to escape from your problems and be lazy and procrastinate. But you can access more empowering states that will help you feel better, that will help you take the right actions and learn to take the right actions by going out like this and enjoying nature and just doing something different, you know? Oh my gosh, I don't know what this is, but I don't know what that is over there. We're gonna go check that out, and then there's something down there, so we'll keep going. But, okay, there's like a big truck over there. There could be people over here, so let's see. It's exciting, guys. There's like a little tower or something there. It's pretty cool. I think this goes, in the last video I saw there's like a big cell tower over there. We can't really see it. But there's like a warehouse there, and I think there's some people there. So I think this road leads to that warehouse. Yes, it does. Okay. We're not gonna go over there because people are working, but that's cool. But see, I never would have known what was down here, guys, if I didn't take the chance to just go exploring. And sure, it can be scary at first. It could be a little nerve-wracking because, you know, you don't want to bother people and you don't want to get lost or whatnot, but you can always figure things out. You'll figure things out. Like you guys won't get lost. You guys will be fine. But it's just so important, you know, just, I can't stress just how much exploring and just going to new places like this has changed my life. And, you know, I know it can change y'all's too if you guys take the action and initiative to do it. So, I mean, look at this. Look how beautiful this is. Like, I don't know. Like, I don't know if you guys have seen the movie Spirit. This is, I think, from like 2001 or so. It's an older movie, but it was so cool. It was an animated movie about a horse named Spirit, and just like different things he went through and overcame. And this was taking place during the times of, I think, when I think it was called the Continental Railroad or something, you know, was building out west. They're building out there, and, you know, they're trying to find gold and stuff. So this took place, I think that took place in like the 1800s. So, but anyways, it was a great movie, and it just, the scenery just reminds me of that, something from Spirit. But I hope that you guys can see that I feel happy and I get joy from doing this. And so I encourage you guys to go exploring, and like I said, just try new things, because variety is what will give you the juice of life. By trying things that you've never done before, that's what will give you the excitement, the adventure, the joy, the positive anticipation that you guys truly want. Sorry, there's a bunch of gnats around there. We're gonna go explore right here real quick. Sorry. Okay. Here we are. Whoops. Okay. Sticking my shoe. Okay. This is pretty nice too. It's pretty cool. But guys, it's like, you know, how many people do you know do something like this? Like, you have to do things different than everybody else. Your goal is not to do the same things everybody else does. Otherwise, you'll only feel as happy as most people are, which usually that's not very happy. And so you have to try different things. You don't have to do everything that I say here, even though I highly encourage you to, but at least do something different. At least ask yourself empowering questions. Focus on what you want. Visualize what you want. Go outside, enjoy the nature, enjoy the little things. Stare at something, like stare at the birds, the ants, you know, and just, you know, just marvel in them. Just feel like, wow, dude, like, I can't believe all these things. It's like a whole nother world down there. Like, literally just one anthill is like a whole nother world. It's like a whole nother universe. And there's billions of them around. Like, it's just so incredible to think about. And it gets you outside of yourself. So these things can definitely help you to feel more empowered in your life and to make you happier. And like I said, guys, the biggest limiting belief, the biggest misconception is that big things have to happen for you to feel happy. They don't. The littlest things can make you the happiest. They can make you even happier than the huge things, like getting a promotion, making more money, going on a great vacation, getting an amazing relationship. Because the littlest things, they'll always be around. They'll always be here to serve you and make you happy. Like the grass, the ground, the trees, the birds, the sky will always be around here. And so, as a result, you'll always have something to feel happy about. You'll always find something to appreciate. And as a result, your life will be so much better. So I hope this video finds you well, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Remember, commit to being happy, and you'll find a way. You'll find the way, or you'll make the way. But commit to being happy, guys, because you deserve it. You deserve to be happy. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.